Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. We are from Group 13. My name is Muhammad Sultan Al-Ma'mun. Last name is 94.
My name is Hana Prameswari Suherni with my list ID number 95.
We, and today we're gonna summary our material for our research later, titled A Contrastive Analysis of Rhetorical Styles in English Research Articles, Evidence from Indonesian versus Malaysian Lectures, Publication, Group 13. And next slide gonna be presented by my friend, time is yours.
Thank you, Sultan. So for the first is about introduction. The keywords about the article is rhetorical styles, Indonesia, Malaysia, interlanguage, and research. Next is about definition of rhetorical styles in research articles. So the definition is rhetorical styles is used strategically to persuade, inform, or engage readers. Number one is creating a research space or CARS is model by Swalls 1990. Uh, it is three main communicative units, each serving a specific purpose, flexible for different research contexts. Many Indonesian and Malaysian researchers have yet to fully adopt it. And the second is contrastive rhetoric theory by Kaplan, 1966, explains how native language and culture influence second language writing, highlights cultural differences in academic writing. So next about recent condition of rhetorical research, articles in Indonesian and Malaysian. So in Indonesian, language transition is like more formal and indirect. The cultural influence is focused on politeness and humility, affecting argument presentation. Next is recent developments, increasing adoption of structured writing due to global academic collaboration. And in Malaysia is there are multilingualism, academic normality, and cultural nuances. Next, differences of rhetorical style in Indonesia and Malaysian research article. Um, Number one is language and structure. In Indonesia, a language and structure is formal, indirect, with elaborate statements. Then in Malaysia, more direct and Western influence, especially in English. Second is cultural influence on argumentation. In Indonesia, are humility, indignance, respect for authority, cautions arguments, but in Malaysia, more direct, evidence-based arguments blending Western and local values. And less is audience consideration. In Indonesia, focus on local audience, assumes shared cultural knowledge, but in Malaysian, rhythm for a global audience follows international academic standards. Next is about previous studies. So the recent studies highlight cultural and pedagogical influence on rhetorical styles. It's by Smith et al. 2029 and 2023. For the gap is limited comparative analysis focusing on Indonesia, Malaysia. The empirical research looking for research on rhetorical style which continue to develop and is used in recent research relate to lecturer publication research. The basic theories is contrastive rhetoric theory or CARS by Kaplan. Contrastive rhetoric theory by Kaplan. And the second is genre analysis by Swells. The research purpose about this is about to analyze differences in rhetorical styles between Indonesia and Malaysian lecturers, English research articles, and to identify cultural, institutional factors influencing these variations of rhetorical styles.
Okay, next
Okay,
is gonna
next, Sultan.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. This gonna be me. This is the data collection procedure for our research. Our data collecting steps gonna be assumingly it's gonna be article collecting, data compiling, coding, and finding. Assuming that it will goes really smoothly. Duration between from March to June 2025. Hopefully, within 3 months, we could be able to finish this research. Schedule of collecting around April or May. It's about collecting the data research that we're going to compare. And data analysis, within this analysis, we're going to use around corpus-based analysis. And data reduction, either we're going to use data reduction from manual coding or using a qualitative analysis software. Coding, of course, the technique that coding we will gonna be use either deductive or inductive, but we prefer to be deductive, or maybe we could implement hybrid. Also, data selection, match pair. We try to match the criteria for the article within each other from Indonesian and to Malaysian. And so we have the triangulation. Triangulation is cross verification between either document analysis, theoretical based coding, and lecturer will be implemented. And last but not least, in conclusion, we will have finding summary, the author's opinion and suggestion, and also some closing words that us the author have. So yeah, I think that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.